Hey guys, welcome on in to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how you can either pair a new remote to your Roku device or reset a device that isn't working properly or get it working on your specific device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the back of your Roku remote, and that's going to expose the little reset button there. So to officially reset your remote so it's ready to go, you hold the home button and back button down at the same time while also clicking the little reset button there that's just below the battery. So when you click those three buttons, hold them down for maybe about 3 to 5 seconds or so, and then you'll see a little green light flash on your remote, which you'll see on the screen here. It just popped up and then it went back to blank. So that means the device is now reset and ready to go. So now at this point, you can unplug your Roku device, as you can see that I've done here. And then in your remote, you take the batteries out of the back of your Roku remote. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is put those batteries back in the remote, close the back battery case on top of it, and then the green light should start to flash on your Roku remote, which means it's ready to be paired to your Roku TV. So power that thing back up, whether you have a Roku streaming device or a Roku TV. And once it goes through the power up phase, it should take a little bit of time. I'll speed things up here on the video, but it might take 30 seconds to a minute or so before this shows up, where it shows you that it's actually pairing to your remote. And once it's done going through this process, the little green light on the bottom of your remote will just flash one more time, turn off, and then the remote is paired and ready to go. As you can see here, I'm moving through the menus with my now successfully paired device. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Just wanted to show you how you can either pair a new remote or fix one that might be having some issues. Thanks for stopping on in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Hope to see you back here for future videos. Bye.